Hi, my name is Dirk from Eccellente.com and I'm standing next to the very popular Delonghi Magnifica S bean-to-cup coffee machine. It provides me with great coffee every day. To keep the machine in a top condition, it's very important to maintain it regularly. In this video, I'm going to explain you what maintenance you need to do. The daily maintenance. If you make a cappuccino, a descaler or any coffee with milk, you need to clean it right away. Take the steam nozzle off, clean this under the tap and take a cloth to clean the milk over here. The weekly maintenance. So you clean the steam nozzle every day or every time you made a cappuccino or a milk coffee. It's also very important every week or every other week to clean it with milk system cleaner like this one to get away all the bacteria. Besides that, you need to take the brewing unit out of the machine. It only works if the machine is off, and clean it under the tap with lukewarm water. Like that. You can dry it with a cloth and then place it back into the machine. And the tank also. The monthly maintenance. Descale the machine every month with the lactic acid descaler, like Eccellente coffee machine descaler. If you don't do this, it will destroy the machine. The lime scale will destroy the boiler and the pipes. So it's very important. Besides that, make sure you replace the water filter every 1 to 2 months. The quarterly maintenance. The last thing which is very important to do is to lubricate the brew group every quarter. So you can take it out if the machine is off, and then grease all the moving parts over here and over there, the wheels. So do this every quarter. If you follow these steps correctly, your Delonghi Magnifica machine will stay in top condition. If you have any other questions, ask them in the comments below or send us an email at hello@Eccellente.com. Always happy to help you. I also made a video how to descale your Delonghi Magnifica in 3 simple steps. You can watch it here.